morning everyone. So today the topic is software engineering. Software engineering. So what is software? Software is a programmer set of programs containing instructions that provide desired functionality, and engineering is the process of designing and building something that serves a particular purpose and find a cost-effective solution of problem. So, software engineering. Software engineering is a systematic discipline. Engineering is a systematic discipline, designer, quantifiable study and approach to the design, development, operations and maintenance of a software system. So, why software engineering is required? To manage, first, to manage a large software for more scalability, cost management, to manage the dynamic nature of software for better quality management. And the next is the need of software engineering. The next is the need of software engineering. So, first is the hug programming. What is hug programming? Hug programming, it is similar to manufacture as a well more than to a house or building. Similarly, as the measure of programming become extensive, engineering has to step to give it is a scientific process. And the second is the adaptability. Adaptability, if the software procedure were not based on scientific and engineering ideas, it would be simple to recreate new software. Simple to recreate new software than to scale an existing one. And the third is the cost. As the hardware industry has demonstrated its skills and hug manufacturing has led down the cost of computers and electronic hardware. But the cost of programming remains high if the proper process is not adopted. And the fourth is the dynamic nature. Dynamic nature, the continually growing and adapting nature of programming hugly depends upon the environment in which the client works. If the quality of software is continually changing, new upgrades, new need to be done in the existing one. And the last is the quality management. Better procedure of software development provides a better and quality software product. So, this is the need of the software engineering. And the next is the characteristics. Characteristics of the good software. So, characteristics of the good software engineer. So, what is the characteristics of the good software engineering? First is the exposure to systematic methods, that is familiarity with software engineering principles. And the second, good technical knowledge of the project range. And the third is the good programming ability. And the fourth is the good communication skills. These skills comprise of oral, written and interpersonal skills. And the next is the high motivations, sound knowledge of fundamentals of computer science, and the next is intelligence, and the next ability to work in team and discipline. This is the characteristics of good software engineer. And the next is the importance of software engineer. Importance of software engineers. So, importance of the software engineer. What is the importance of the software engineer? Anybody know? So, importance of the software engineers. First is the reduce complexity. Reduce complexity. What is a reduced complexity? Big software is always complicated and changing to programs. Software complications of any project. Software engineering has a great solution to reduce the completion of any project. Software engineering divides big problems into various small issues and then start solving each small issue one by one. All these small problems are solved independently to each other. And the next is this, to minimize software cost. To minimize software cost. Software needs a lot of hard work and software engineers are highly paid experts. A lot of manpower is required to develop software with a large number of codes. But in a software engineering project, everything and decreases all these things that are not needed. In turn, the cost for software productions become less as compared to any software that does not use software engineering method. And the third is a decrease time. To decrease time. Anything that is not made according to the project always cost time, waste time. And if you are making great software, then you may need to run many codes to get the definition native running codes. This is very time consuming procedure, and if it is not well handled, then this can take a lot of time. So if you are making your software according to the software engineering method, then it will decrease a lot of time. And the next is handling big projects. Handling big projects. Handling big projects. So, big projects are not done in a couple of days and they need a lot of patience, planning and management, and to invest 6 and 7 months of any company if required of planning, direction, testing, maintenance. No one can say that he has given 4 months of a company to the task and the project is still in its first stage because the company has provided many resources to the plan and it should be completed. So, to handle a big project without any problem, the company needs to go for a software engineering method. And the fifth is a reliable software. And the fifth is a reliable software. Reliable software. So, what is a reliable software? Software should be secure, means if you have delivered the software, then it should work for at least its given time or subscriptions. And if any bugs come into the software, the company is required for solving all these bugs, because in software engineering, testing and maintenance are given, so there is no worry of its reliability. And the last is the effectiveness. Last is the effectiveness. Effectiveness comes if any has made according to the standards. Software standards are a big target of companies to make it more effective. So the software becomes more effective in the act with the help of software engineering. This is the need and the importance of the software engineering. So, I hope it's completed software engineering programs. So, thank you so much.